Hello children, welcome back to our English grammar class. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to study chapter 13, has and have. In the previous class, I had already explained you the usage of has and have. So let's start doing the exercise. Fill in the blanks with has or have. Children, in the given sentences, you have to fill has or have. The first one is a knife, dash, a handle and a blade. A knife. We are talking about one thing. And when we talk about one thing, then we use has. So the answer is a knife has a handle and a blade. Second is Rekha and Archana dash dolls. Here we are talking about two people, Rekha and Archana. So when we refer to people more than one in number, we use have. The answer is Rekha and Archana have dolls. Third is spiders dash 8 legs. Spiders. This is a plural word. So we will fill have. The answer is spiders have 8 legs. Fourth is my aunt dash 2 sons and 1 daughter. My aunt. We are talking about one person. So we will use has. My aunt has 2 sons and 1 daughter. Fifth, December dash 31 days. December. We are talking about 1 month. So we are using has here. December has 31 days. Sixth, birds dash wings. Birds. This is a plural word, so we will use have. Birds have wings. Seventh is India dash a large population. India. We are talking about one country. India has a large population. Eighth, a week dash 7 days. Here we are talking about week. All of us know week has 7 days. Collectively, week is one word. Okay, when we talk about week, we mean 1 week. So here, week is a singular word. So we will write has. A week has 7 days. Ninth, a monkey dash a long tail. A monkey, which means one monkey. So we are writing has. A monkey has a long tail. 10th, these girls dash blue eyes. These girls. Girls is a plural word, so we are writing have here. These girls have blue eyes. Next exercise is tick write the correct word has or have. You have to tick write the correct word. Choose the correct word from has or have and tick it right. First one is this plant has or have red flowers. The options are has or have. We are talking about plant. One plant. So we will use has. Because when we are talking about anything which is 1 in number, we use has. So the answer is this plant has red flowers. Children, keep in mind we are not talking about flowers. We are talking about the plant. So we have used has. In the next sentence, second, these boys do not has or have money. In this sentence, we are talking about the boys. Boys is a plural word, so we will use have. These boys do not have money. Third is August has or have 31 days. August, we are talking about one particular month. So we will use has. August has 31 days. Fourth is these girls has or have many dolls. We are talking about girls, which is a plural word, so we will use have. These girls have many dolls. Fifth one is this school has or have a big playground. We are talking about a particular school. This school. So we are using has. The answer will be this school has a big playground. Let's move to the next exercise. See, look at the pictures and write has or have in the blanks. In this exercise, you have to look at the pictures and choose the correct word has or have from the options given here. First is a dash has or have a mean. So you can see the picture. The picture is of a lion and this is one lion. So we will use has. So write down a lion and put a tick right on the word has. The answer will be a lion has a mane. Second one is dash has or have colorful wings. You can see in the second picture butterflies are given. These are 3 in number, so it becomes a plural word. The answer will be butterflies have colorful wings. Third one is a dash has or have a beak. You can see one word. Here only one bird is given. So we will write a bird has a beak because we use has for singular words. The answer is a bird has a beak. Fourth is dash has or have horns. In the picture you can see two cows. So we are talking about a plural word. We will use have. The answer is cows have horns. Fifth one is and dash has or have a long trunk. In the picture only one elephant is given. We will write the answer. An elephant has a long trunk because with singular words we are always using has. Sixth is a dash has or have antlers. You can see the picture of one deer. So the answer is a deer has antlers. Next is dash has or have one hump. You can see two camels. We are talking about camels which are two in number. So the answer will be camels have one hump because with plural words we use have. And the last one is a kangaroo has or have a pouch. You can see the picture. Only one kangaroo is here. So the answer is a kangaroo has a pouch. Your homework is read the chapter and learn the exercise. Children, we have come to the end of the chapter. We have done the exercises also. If you still have any confusion, just go through the videos that are posted on YouTube and you can read the chapter again and again so that you understand the chapter well. And yes, do not forget to learn the exercises. We'll be meeting very soon with the next video with a new topic. Thank you for watching.